ready to be amazed by these pixie haircut ideas that are sure to win your heart. So, ladies and women, let's dive into a world of stunning hairstyles. Are you ready for some inspiration? This year, we are showcasing the hottest trends in short haircuts just for you. These styles are carefully designed to leave a lasting impression, making you feeling confident and utterly fabulous. Get ready for a hair transformation like no other. I am sorry if you hear any background noise. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Ladies, get ready to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a work of art meant to make you fall in love. From sleek and sophisticated to bold and daring, this collection has something for everyone. Just picture the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are designed to make you feel like a fashion icon. These ideas will take your style to new heights, giving you confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning pixie haircut you have ever seen. Whether it's grayish, brownish, blackish or whitish colors, these magnificent shades can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully chosen shades are meant to complement your unique features. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation. These short haircuts can take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Watch the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be astonished by the impact these hairstyles can create. We want to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback means a lot to us. Unleash your inner fashionista with these stylish short haircuts. Whether you are into a chic and sophisticated look and overall appearance. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest masterpieces. Now go out there, rock your stunning short hair and embrace your inner beauty. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and being a part